How to find the Nordstrom gift card info. Hi everyone. In today's video, we are providing a complete guide to find all the information about Nordstrom gift cards, buying, using, and getting help directly from the website. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by going to Nordstrom.com, and this is our following site, or we can directly go to Nordstrom card and rewards and drop it down and select the option for Nordstrom gift card. Or let's directly head over to the site. And this is our site right here. Once we open it up, we can scroll down and here we can find a section for purchase a gift card. So go ahead and tap on it. Tap on the buy now option. Once you have done so, you will be led to the next page. So what we can do is we can choose between two cards, physical gift card and e-gift card. We have digital card and the other option. So you can select up the gift card. You can select up the physical or the e-digital card and tap on continue. Before that, you can also schedule it out, print or um, instant or scheduled delivery and choose up a design such as Easter and many more. After that, once you have done so, you can even upload your own image if you want and tap on the option called continue. Once it is done, you can select it up and select the amount that you would like to add. So once you have choose the gift card design and everything, you can card for the amount that you would like to provide and go ahead and send it. You can send it via email or get a link. If it's physical, you need to add in the shipping address as well. After that, you can provide in the recipient info such as the full name and the email. Once it is done, you can also complete the checkout by adding up a message. So go ahead and provide in a message. Apart from that, you can send up your full name and your email and when it should be delivered. And you can check up your quantity as well. Once it is done, you can basically tap on buy now and add it to cart. And before that, you can personalize it anyhow you want. And that's it. You can just go and provide it up. You can buy those and use it going to a store, or you can even find it once you have received it, you can use it while you're shopping into Nordstrom, and that way you should be able to use it. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.